Understanding, pass the dish name, a guide to English dining etiquette. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common phrase you might hear at the dining table, especially in English-speaking countries: pass the dish name. This phrase is not just about the action itself but also carries nuances of politeness and dining etiquette. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and the cultural context behind it. Stay tuned to master this phrase and make your dining experiences smoother and more enjoyable. When someone says, pass the dish name, they are politely asking someone else at the table to hand them the dish mentioned. This request is common during family meals or gatherings where dishes are shared from a central position on the table. It's a fundamental aspect of table manners, showing that you're considerate of others by asking rather than reaching over someone to grab the dish yourself. Using the phrase is straightforward. You simply name the dish you want followed by the request. For example, could you pass the salt, please? Can you pass the bread? Adding, please, at the end of your request is a good practice, as it adds an extra layer of politeness. Responding with, here you go, or, sure, when passing the dish is equally polite. Remember, the goal is to facilitate a comfortable and respectful dining experience for everyone at the table. In English-speaking cultures, requesting someone to pass a dish is preferred over reaching across the table, which can be seen as rude or intrusive. This practice emphasizes communal dining etiquette, where sharing and consideration for others are valued. There can be variations in how this phrase is used, depending on the formality of the setting or personal preferences. In more casual settings, gestures or eye contact might suffice, but using the full phrase is always a safe and polite choice. To get comfortable with this phrase: 1. Practice at home with family or friends during meals. 2. Role-play dining situations with a language partner, using the phrase in various contexts. 3. Watch English language movies or shows that feature dining scenes to see how characters interact and use this phrase. We hope this video has helped clarify how and when to use pass the dish name in English-speaking dining settings. Remember, it's all about politeness, respect, and making mealtimes pleasant for everyone involved. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase next time you're at a dinner party or family gathering. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.